Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to manage tracking tools on your Wix website. If you're looking to monitor your site's performance and optimize how search engines interact with your pages, understanding these tools is essential for growing your online presence. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard where all your site management options live. Take a look at the left navigation menu and locate the option that says Site and Mobile App. Click on it, and the drop-down selection will appear with several choices. This menu is your gateway to all the core settings that control how your site functions and performs. From that drop-down menu, click on SEO and GEO. This section is specifically designed to help you track and improve your site's visibility on search engines. Once you're inside, you'll immediately see a graph displaying your total performance over time. This visual breakdown gives you a quick snapshot of how your site has been doing, showing trends and patterns that can help you identify what's working. Right below that, you'll find another graph highlighting the most significant changes. These are the key moments where your site experienced notable shifts in performance, whether positive or negative, so you can investigate further if needed. Now, scroll down further to explore all the tools and settings available to improve your website. You'll see a comprehensive list that includes the SEO Setup Checklist, SEO Settings, Site Inspections, URL Redirect Manager, Site Verifications, Site Maps, and the Robots.txt editor. Each of these tools serves a specific purpose in managing how your site is tracked and indexed. The SEO Setup Checklist guides you through foundational optimization steps, while SEO settings let you fine-tune meta tags and descriptions. Site inspections help you identify technical issues, and the URL Redirect Manager ensures old links still lead visitors to the right place. Site verifications allow you to connect with external platforms like Google Search Console, and the Site Maps and Robots.txt editor give you control over what search engines can and cannot crawl. Finally, take the time to navigate through each of these tools and settings individually. Click into each section, explore the options, and make adjustments based on your site's needs. This hands-on approach will help you understand how each tool contributes to your overall tracking strategy and site performance. By actively managing these features, you'll have much better control over how your website is discovered and ranked online. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.